Well, hello dear friends. Today is such a hot day, sweating and thing. But my name is Titus William Wisdom. I like to be called Tightie, I won't go down into the meaning of that name because every time I use the name, my grandson ball out. Why? I used to have a program on in YouTube channel called Words of Wisdom. But I told him, because it's Jamaica 60, I want to do something related to Jamaica 60. So I told him I want to do 60 proverbs for Jamaica 60, So today I want to start with a proverb. A very popular one. Most of you are supposed to know it. But I want to give you the proverb and give you an example which will kind of get you to understand what it means. They have a saying when I was growing up, one cocoa, full basket. Now I know many of you young people don't even understand what that means. Especially some of the young man who just want to sit up on the corner and crush out the weed and mix up the grabber with it. That's all I don't want to do all day. But when I was growing up, if it's even one little $100 a week, I want $50 a week. Nowadays I probably want $2,000. I want $4,000 a week, We used to make it work. We find creative ways to make the money stretch and all these things, Some want to give away bottom. I want to do all sorts of things just to get this whole heap of money at one time. Want to go turn thief and robber and all of these things, Don't hurry up to get money and do all sorts of things that you should not be doing to get money and to get things. One cocoa, full basket. Take time and reach there, you see? But that is my proverb for today. I have some more to share with you, but next time I'm going to somewhere, all right?